Flashing the Infinix Smart 8 is a technically complex process that carries the risk of turning your phone into a brick. This guide is intended only for advanced users who understand the possible consequences, and I will show you how to avoid them. The main difficulty with your phone is its Unisoc processor. It is different from the popular MediaTek and Qualcomm chips, so standard methods such as using SP Flash tool do not work here. Tools for flashing and unlocking the bootloader are different and harder to find. You will need the original firmware, a specialized flashing tool for Unisoc chips, Unisoc drivers, and a bootloader unlocking tool for the Unisoc 615 processor. Since there are several versions of this phone, I strongly recommend asking DeepSeek and ChatGPT how to flash the Infinix Smart 8. The AI will ask for a photo of the back of your phone, provide links to the correct firmware, programs, and drivers, guide you through the entire process, and show you how to fix any errors if they occur. That's exactly how I did it, and it worked for me.